Your home should be your sanctuary, but right now, it's likely a chemical soup. That's not an exaggeration. It's a conclusion from new research emerging for 2025. Common household items are off-gassing toxins like formaldehyde and benzene around the clock, impacting your health in ways you may not even notice yet. The great news is that nature offers the most powerful filter available. We're about to count down the 10 plant warriors that can detoxify your living space. And some of the most effective ones are not what you think. Let's start building your home's natural defense system. Number 10. Boston Fern. Coming in at number 10, we have a plant that might seem like a simple decorative piece. The Boston Fern, however, is a secret weapon against a common toxin that could be leaking from your furniture right now. Beyond its lush, feathery fronds, its real power is in acting as a natural humidifier. Dry indoor air can aggravate respiratory conditions, and this fern actively releases moisture to counteract that uncomfortable dryness. Its primary target is formaldehyde, a volatile organic compound found in things you use every day, like pressed wood products in MDF furniture, particle board, and even some paper goods. To keep it working hard, the Boston Fern requires high humidity, which makes it a perfect plant for a bathroom or kitchen. It does best with bright, indirect light and soil that stays consistently moist. For anyone with pets, a major consideration is its non-toxic nature, making it a completely safe choice for homes with curious cats and dogs. Updated analysis for 2025 confirms that its high transpiration rate does more than just humidify. This process actually helps pull toxins like formaldehyde and xylene down into the soil, where beneficial microbes can then break them down into harmless substances. Number 9. Aloe Vera. At number 9, we have a plant famous for soothing burns, but it possesses another function that turns it into a living air quality detector. The aloe vera plant is a succulent, which means it's incredibly easy to care for. It thrives in bright, direct sunlight and requires very little watering, so it is a perfect fit for a sunny windowsill and doesn't mind a bit of neglect. It is particularly effective at clearing the air of formaldehyde and benzene. These are two toxins commonly released into your home from chemical-based cleaners, various paints, and even some floor finishes. Here is its most unique feature. If the concentration of these airborne chemicals becomes too high, the plant's leaves will begin to display brown spots, giving you a direct visual signal that the air quality is poor. While beneficial for humans, it's important to note that aloe vera is toxic to pets if ingested, so it must be kept out of their reach. Beyond just removing toxins from the environment, its ability to provide a visible warning system offers a practical, immediate benefit that few other plants can match, serving as a first alert for your home's air. Number 8. Rubber tree. Many powerful air purifying plants demand bright sunlight, but what if your home simply doesn't get much? Our number 8 pick is a robust solution specifically for lower light environments. The rubber tree, known as Ficus elastica, is famously low maintenance, with large glossy leaves that are incredibly efficient at absorbing airborne toxins. Its broadleaf surface area is what gives it this power, allowing it to take in significant amounts of chemical fumes and convert them into harmless byproducts. It is particularly good at removing formaldehyde. Unlike more demanding plants, the rubber tree tolerates dimmer light and infrequent watering. This makes it the perfect candidate for hallways, offices, or rooms with north-facing windows where other plants would struggle. Be aware that the milky sap of the rubber tree is toxic to pets and humans if ingested and can cause skin irritation, so it's best placed where it won't be disturbed. Newer evaluations for 2025 highlight its exceptional ability to remove these toxins even when living in less than ideal growing conditions. This durability makes it a top contender for anyone seeking consistent, low-effort air purification that works hard without a lot of fuss. Number 7. English ivy. There's a persistent, invisible problem lurking in many homes, especially in perpetually damp areas like bathrooms and basements. Airborne mold. Our number 7 plant, English ivy, is uniquely equipped to fight it. As an aggressive vine, it is extremely easy to grow and maintain indoors. It can be placed in a hanging basket where its trails can lengthen, or it can be trained to climb a small trellis, thriving in a wide range of light conditions. While it filters many common VOCs, including benzene and formaldehyde, Its standout talent is its documented ability to reduce airborne fecal matter particles and mold spores. One key study showed English ivy can remove a significant percentage of airborne mold from a sealed chamber in just 12 hours. This makes it an unparalleled choice for bathrooms or laundry rooms, where moisture is consistently high. This is a very hardy plant, but it requires caution as it is toxic to pets if ingested and can cause skin irritation in some people. Its effectiveness against mold spores, a major allergen and respiratory irritant, gives it a specialized role in creating a healthier home that goes beyond standard VOC removal. Number 6. Peace lily. Household cleaning products are a primary source of indoor air pollution, especially one chemical with a particularly sharp smell. This elegant plant at number 6 is one of the best at neutralizing it. The peace lily is renowned for its beautiful white flowers and glossy leaves, but it is also an air-purifying powerhouse. It excels at removing ammonia, a chemical abundant in products like glass cleaners, floor waxes, and some fertilizers. It also actively filters out benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene from the air you breathe every day. The peace lily also has a high transpiration rate. This means it releases a good amount of moisture into any room, helping to humidify dry spaces naturally. This plant prefers medium, indirect light and makes care very simple. It will even tell you when it's thirsty by letting its leaves droop noticeably. This is a clear signal to give it water. A critical note, however, is that this plant is toxic to both cats and dogs and must be kept out of their reach. According to NASA's Clean Air study, the peace lily is officially one of the top-performing plants for removing the most common household VOCs. Number 5. Bamboo palm. If you are looking for a larger statement-making plant that works overtime to clean your air, this tropical palm at number 5 is a leading choice. The bamboo palm, sometimes called a reed palm, can grow several feet tall, creating a dramatic focal point in a living room or entryway. Its sheer size is directly related to its air cleaning capacity. More leaves mean more filtering power. It is one of the best plants you can get for filtering out benzene and trichloroethylene. Benzene is a widespread toxin found in many common household materials, including plastics, synthetic fibers, resins, and even some lubricants. This palm also transpires a healthy dose of moisture into the air. A mature palm can release nearly a quart of water a day, making it a fantastic natural humidifier, especially during dry winter months. Best of all, the bamboo palm is non-toxic to pets, making it a safe choice for a floor plant in homes with animals. Just be sure to give it bright, indirect light. Its ability to remove benzene, combined with its pet-safe status and impressive humidifying properties, makes it one of the most versatile and beneficial large plants you can own. Number 4. Golden pothos. For anyone who thinks they can't keep a plant alive, this next one at number 4 is for you. It's famous for being nearly indestructible, and it is a relentless toxin absorber. The golden pothos is a fast-growing vine that tolerates a remarkable amount of neglect, from low light to infrequent watering. Its nickname is Devil's Ivy for a reason. It's so hard to kill. This plant is a true workhorse when it comes to air purification, tackling a wide range of toxins, including formaldehyde, benzene, xylene, and even carbon monoxide. The long trailing vines make it ideal for hanging baskets or for placing on high shelves. From this vantage point, it can more effectively filter air throughout a room. This is especially useful for removing formaldehyde that off-gases from carpets and furniture below. A critical note for pet owners is that the golden pothos is toxic if ingested, so it absolutely must be kept out of reach of any animals. Its combination of extreme hardiness, which makes it perfect for beginners, and broad-spectrum toxin removal makes it arguably the most practical and effective entry-level air-purifying plant you can find anywhere. Number 3. Chrysanthemum. While most air-purifying plants are shades of green, this next entry at number 3 adds a vibrant splash of color. While being ranked as one of the most powerful purifiers of all, chrysanthemums, or mums as they're commonly called, are not just for outdoor gardens. When brought indoors, these flowering plants become air cleaning champions, offering a functional purpose beyond their visual appeal. According to research highlighted by NASA, mums are at the very top of the list for clearing out common toxins. They are particularly adept at eliminating ammonia and benzene, two chemicals often emitted by plastics, detergents, and glue found throughout your home. They come in a wide variety of colors, allowing you to match your decor while actively cleaning your air. But they require bright, direct sunlight to truly thrive. There is a catch, however. The plant's powerful purification abilities are most active only when its flowers are in bloom, a period that typically lasts for about 6 weeks. They are also toxic to pets and must be kept away from them, despite the limited time frame of their peak performance for that 6-week period. Few plants can match the sheer volume and range of toxins a blooming chrysanthemum removes. Number 2. Snake plant. Most plants release oxygen during the day, but our number 2 plant is a night shift worker, making it the single best plant for the one room where you spend a third of your life in the bedroom. The snake plant, sometimes called mother-in-law's tongue because of its stiff, upright leaves, is architecturally striking and incredibly resilient. It's known to thrive even with low light and infrequent watering. It uses a special type of photosynthesis called crassylation acid metabolism, or CAM. This process is remarkable because it allows the plant to absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen at night, which is the opposite schedule of most other houseplants. This unique cycle makes it the ideal companion for your bedroom, as it purifies the air and boosts oxygen levels while you sleep. In addition to this nighttime work, it also filters common toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene from the air. While it is a superb air purifier, it is mildly toxic to pets if they chew on the leaves, which can cause digestive upset, so placement is important. Its ability to produce oxygen around the clock, combined with its extreme hardiness, solidifies its place as one of the most functional houseplants. Number 1. Spider plant. We've arrived at number 1. This plant is common, unassuming, and incredibly easy to grow. So why does it top our list for 2025? Because it remains the undisputed champion against the single most pervasive indoor toxin. The spider plant is consistently ranked as one of the most effective plants for removing formaldehyde from the air. Foundational research has shown it can remove up to 95% of this chemical from a sealed chamber. Formaldehyde isn't some rare industrial pollutant, it's everywhere. It is in the resins that bind pressed wood furniture, in grocery bags, and even in facial tissues. This makes the spider plant a dedicated formaldehyde-fighting machine. It's also one of the easiest plants to propagate. It grows small spitterets, or baby plants, that can be snipped off and repotted to create new plants for every room in your house. Crucially, for many households, the spider plant is completely non-toxic to children and pets, making it the safest and most effective choice for families. For its unmatched effectiveness against formaldehyde, its safety, and its ease of care and propagation, the spider plant remains the number 1 recommendation. And a final thought before we conclude. Your home does not have to be a chemical soup. As we have seen, the solution can be simple, natural, and beautiful. Each of these 10 plants offers a practical way to fight back against the invisible toxins floating in your air. You do not need to turn your home into a jungle overnight. You can start with just one. As one expert suggests, you can curate a unique selection of indoor plants that best suit your lighting situation. Choose the plant that best fits your space and lifestyle, and begin building your home's natural defense system today for cleaner air tomorrow. Thank you for joining us on this journey to cleaner, healthier living through the power of plants. Remember, adding just a few of these green warriors to your home can make a big difference in your air quality and overall well-being. Stay curious and keep nurturing your space. Nature truly is the best purifier. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Stay inspired, and see you in the next video.